Hi, I'm Phoebe Howard.
And I'm Nellie Howard-Ossie, and we are the designers for Flower Magazine's Palmetto Bluff Showhouse. We were really excited to take on this project together. It's a mother-daughter design collaboration, and we've had so much fun working together.
So we drew our inspiration from the natural beauty of Palmetto Bluff and the Low Country. The Low Country is one of the prettiest places on earth if you've ever been there. You know, you've got the marshes, it's so green, it's so lush. We didn't want anything to detract from the spectacular view out of the back of this house, so we chose a fairly neutral interior that relied heavily on texture. The overall aesthetic of the house has a Belgian feeling, so we complemented that with our furniture and fabric choices. And there are natural timbers, stone, plaster finishes throughout that are very complementary to the natural linen schemes that we used in our decorating.
We are so excited to bring this project to you and to share our creative vision.
One of the best things about living in the South is the fact that we have such beautiful weather for so much of the year that we're able to spend time outdoors, entertaining, dining, just hanging out outside. The outdoors are an extension of the insides of our houses, and so we spend a lot of effort and a lot of time making sure that they feel properly furnished and dressed out. Out here we started with this beautiful teak dining table and these beautiful chairs from Universal Furniture. I love the combination of materials, this woven material with the teak and then this beautiful outdoor fabric that we have on the cushions. And so we've dressed this table out with this great Bevolo lantern in the middle, and then I've got a combination of tabletop on this table from Ballard. We've got these beautiful napkin rings and these napkins with this precious crocheted edge and this great wicker charger. And then these plates, flatware, and glasses are all from replacements. This company, Jars, is one of my favorites. It's a French company, and they just make beautiful glazes, and I just love their colors and their color combinations. Cute faux greenery from Ballard's, and you've got a table. This is a room that's really set up for successful outdoor living. You have everything that you would have in an interior room in this space. You've got a wonderful rug from Dash & Albert, grounding the space and making it feel more like an interior room. You have all this great outdoor furniture from Universal, and this proves an interesting point. These chairs, the sofa, and these two chairs are all different, but they all blend together because the fabrics and the colors are cohesive. So this is just proof that you don't have to match outside. It's more about the mix. A couple pairs of poofs, and then these great Bevolo copper lanterns that have these battery-operated candles and give you that soft flickering glow. We added this great rustic console from Currey and Company to give you a place for serving, a place where you could put more candles, put a plant up underneath it, and I've put my fabulous favorite new friend, this carved alligator that I just bought in England, up here, just because he has quite a few friends in the water that's right there, one of which I saw yesterday, frighteningly close.